Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. I am teacher Ella and I will start a new science period with you on today, Tuesday, March 24, 2020. To be able to identify shadows. Before we start our lesson, I would like to play a little game with you. Guess the objects in these pictures and write down your answers. You can see that all these objects are fruit. But why do they all look black? Are they real fruit? They have a black color and they look exactly the same as the fruit, but they are not the real fruit. They are their shadows. So can you tell me now what are shadows? Look again at these objects. You can see that next to each fruit, there is another fruit looks exactly the same but has a black color. These fruits are the shadows of the real fruit. So, shadow is the dark shape made when something blocks light from light sources. In a simple way, we can say that when light comes on an object, it may come through this object or the object may block the light. If the object blocks the light, then the shadow will be made. Notice that shadows are black and they have the same shape of the objects that block them. Do you think all objects have shadow? Transparent objects don't have shadow. Can you tell examples on transparent objects? Remember that transparent objects allow the light to come through them. What objects around you can let the light come through them? Great! Air is the first example on transparent objects. Water is another example on transparent objects. You can notice that we can see objects inside the water, so water is a transparent object. Glass is another example on transparent object. Can you see the objects outside of your window? Yes or no? In this example, I want you to look carefully at these animals and their shadows and try to match each animal with its shadow. Now compare your answers with the correct answers. How many correct answers do you have? We finished our science period for today. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Your homework is in workbook page 62 and 63. See you next time. Goodbye.